Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. I am Raghav88. So in this video, we are going to be checking or seeing how do we find out the right head bulb replacement for your cars. I am doing this because on my car, if you see here, the headlight is working fine, but on this side, if you see, the headlamp is not working. So I thought, why not to do a video on this, because many of us do not exactly know what is the bulb wattage or what is the wiring type or what is the exact OEM spec bulb that needs to be put back if it burns out in any case, because there are high chances of these bulbs burning out because they go up to a lot of temperature, and if there is rain or even if you go into a ditch, for example, or you hit a speed bump at a very high speed, there are chances of the filaments of your bulbs cracking and or melting or whatever happens, and they shut off. So I wanted to change the bulb here, but I was looking at the replacement, but I'm not sure of what exactly the specs were of the bulb that I need to replace. So here are 3 simple ways to check or find out the right OEM headlamp bulb for your car. So this applies to any car, for this Hyundai i20 or for example the XUV 500 here, or any other car that you have, it's the same. So we will start with the first one, which is the toughest of the most 3 simple ones. So for that, initially you will need to turn off your car. Always turn off your cars before you do anything with them. So I turned it on as I wanted the headlamps on to show you guys that the headlamps are not working in my car, or the one of the headlamps is not working on the car. So just open up your bonnet and hold your bonnet down and so there's a cap for your headlamp bulb. It might be the case that there might not be a cap, there might be other things, so that you need to look at. It might be different for different ones. Here you need to just twist this open. On my car, here you get a cap, put it that side, and there's a wiring that you need to remove, and there's a clip. So just pull out the wiring, and then there's a clip that you need to push on and push it down. Voila, that's it, and you have your headlamp out. So you might be thinking, you are searching for a replacement of the bulb, why are you opening up the bulb here? So always on any products the specifications are written. For example, these electrical ones will always have specifications. So if you can observe closely here, see that it says Phoenix, that's the company name. H4 is the wiring type, and here it says 12 volts 60 bar 55 watt. So that is the right specification for your bulb. It's a H4 12 volts 60 55 watts. So if you just go and say the same to your automobile store, he will hand you this bulb, or you can take this bulb itself to him and show it to him, and he will hand you a new bulb, and you can come back home and replace it. Not required to go to a garage, you can do it by yourself. It just takes around 2 minutes to do this, not a big deal. So in case if you do not want to open up this and check it by yourself, you are not confident enough of doing all this stuff, opening the wiring, opening up the clip and putting it back. So what is the second best way to find out the right specification of your bulb. So let's go into the second one. The second one is the second easiest one. The third one is the most easiest one. Just wait for it. So let's finish the second one on how to find out the right spec bulb. So nothing, you will have to find your user manual. In my case, I always have the car user manual with us in the car itself. So what you need to do is just open up the car user manual and go to the sheet where it says specifications. Just go to the index part of it and you will find the right place where to find it. So you see here indexing, so it says specifications and consumer information. Go to that part, page 10. So here it's 9. After that you've moved to 10. Here is the specification and consumer information. In that, just search for bulb and wattage 10/2. So that is 10. And the second page, here you see bulb wattage. You get each and every bulb wattage here and the right type. So this is simple, guys. See here, headlamps high low 60/55. So that's as simple as it. You can get all the other bulbs that are used in your car and their wattage and specifications here. So which is easy. You might say that you don't have your user manual and you do want to remove the bulb out. You're not good at it. You're not confident enough. So there's a third way to do this. So that's the most simple one. For that, you'll need to download an app called Boodmo. Firstly, download the Boodmo app on your mobile and open up the app. Now go to the My Garage section and add your car. In my case, it is the Hyundai and the car is Elite i20 or i20. Then the year is 2015 and the modification is 1.4 diesel because mine is a diesel car. In your case, it might be different. Now click on the add button down so that it will add the car to your My Garage. So once that is done, we can move forward. Before that, I wanted to let you know this is not sponsored by Boodmo in any which way. Now again, go back to the My Garage section and select the OEM parts. Here you can see which are the sections that are available. In this case, because it's a bulb, we are going to select the electrical section. This section, there will be many parts that will be visible. So we will need to find the exact section. So which is the headlight section or the headlamp section. Here it is. So click on that and if you scroll down, you can see an option of the bulbs here. So now again, there you will need to click on the bulb part. Here it is. So it says bulb halogen. Click on that part exactly by finding it by seeing the image. And here we go, guys. So you can see that this is the headlamp that is available and you can order from Boodmo itself or you can buy it from your local spare parts store. You have other options also available other than just the OEM parts. You can buy aftermarket parts as well. If the video was informative, guys, and you enjoyed the video, do stay tuned to the channel for more such videos coming soon. Do hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. If they have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.